Hello guys, welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix error code 0xc0000094 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue and you can see the error code 0xc0000094, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to click on the start menu, then type your settings, click on settings. In left section you can see your privacy and security, just click on this. After that you can see your Windows security, just click on Windows security. In this, click on virus and threat protection. After that you can see your scan option, just click on this, select full scan and click on scan now. Guys, this process will take some time. After completion of this process, you need to restart your PC. After restarting PC, if still you are facing the issue, then try the second method. Just click on the start menu, then type here cmd. Just right click on this command prompt and click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Here you have to type a couple of commands what I will provide in my video description link. You can just copy paste from there. You can see first command is sfc space /scan now. Just copy, right click on the top of the command prompt window, click on edit, click on paste and hit enter. Guys, it will take some time. After completion of this, again you need to open the command prompt and copy paste the second command. Copy the second command. Just right click on the top of the command prompt window, click on edit, click on paste and hit enter. Guys, after doing this, once you have to restart your laptop or desktop. After restarting your laptop or desktop, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix error code 0xc0000094 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.